When you're drawing faces and it comes to putting in the mouth, how do you do it? Well, I suppose you could do it like this. But you know, a mouth isn't just a line in the middle of your face. What about these things? Lips. Well, to make your mouths more realistic, try drawing 2 teardrop shapes above the line like that for the top lip and 2 slightly fatter teardrop shapes like that for the bottom lip. And then it's just a case of using these teardrop shapes that are facing each other as a guide to drawing a nice pair of rubbery lips. And you know, this teardrop shape is a really good tip to keep in your mind each time you're drawing mouths. Now, of course, lips do change shape depending on what expression your mouth is pulling. If you're smiling, then your lips are stretched outwards. If you're frowning or you're sad, your lips are stretched downwards. If your mouth is open, then they're stretched up and down. Or if you're kissing or whistling or sucking, then they're crunched together. But you know, those teardrop shapes are still there. Look at this. So, OK, here's a smiling face. Let's put the teardrop shapes in again, but this time if it's smiling, the lips are stretched out and slightly up at the side. And the bottom lip, which is slightly fatter, again, is stretched up at the side. And what about a sad face, a face that's frowning? Well, same again. You've got the top lip there, but this time the teardrop shape is stretched down at the edges. And for the bottom lip, which is slightly fatter, again, those teardrop shapes are stretched down at the edges. When your mouth is open, the top lip, the teardrops tend to be stretched up and over, like that. So put those teardrop shapes stretched over, and the bottom lip, which is slightly thicker, the teardrop shapes are stretched down and under and together. And when you're whistling or kissing or sucking, then those teardrops tend to be all crunched together, a bit like 4 flower petals. Look at that. And look at this, even from the side of your face, you can still see the teardrop shape, only this time, from the side, the top lip is just 1 teardrop shape, and the bottom lip is a slightly thicker one. It's a good tip to remember, isn't it? Try it yourself. Next time you're drawing mouths, use teardrop shapes as a guide to draw the lips.
My goodness gracious me, I've really learned something there. Whatever the expression, all you need to do is draw a line and use teardrop shapes as a guide for a pair of luscious lips. Ooh, lovely.